Hello everybody, this is Compound Interest Stock Guy. Today, just going to summarize the market, some commodity talk, just, just free flowing, just give you something, what's up. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, appreciate it. Undisclosed, not a financial advisor, this is just for information and entertainment. Do not buy or sell based on anything I talk about. Buy or sell after your own thorough research, due diligence, and you like the investments you're pursuing. Yep. So share the video with friends and family. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Remember to subscribe. So bring in lots of content, commodities, precious metals, cannabis, technology, you name it, oil. So yeah. Well, let's get into this. So Chronos was up a little bit today. Last I checked, went to sleep I think before end of the close, so I didn't see the last minutes of the close. It's if it's a holiday in Canada, sometimes when it comes back, things can be kind of bullish, but we'll see. The dollar index is really going to play its hand in August. The dollar got obliterated in July, and for a lot of this year it's been getting decimated. So yeah, the dollar index, the Dixie DXY, yeah. So we'll see. The dollar's just kind of trading flat, up and down, but it's not really sure what it wants to do today. So we'll see. Maybe they loosen it quite a bit by tomorrow morning, and that'll make gold and silver and probably oil and the SPX 500 run up. So what did I do today? I sold a Pan American Silver call option. Why? I think silver should be a lot higher, but I'm just, I'm a little bit indecisive. I don't want to. I was up 300%, right? Like I'm up 3 times my money on that trade, so I don't want it to go down that I only own like I'm only up 50% or I'm only up 100%, right? So it's not something I was happy with. I didn't want to do that, but I'm just, it just kind of was flinching at me. It's happened to me before when I've had options and you're up a ton. It's happened to me on Boeing. It's happened to me before on even the Budweiser. So things like that, you just have to make hay with the sun shines. So I sold it. So I'm hoping that I can get back in if silver goes to say $21 or $22 and it retraces and then it goes up higher later when it starts running up to like 30 or 40 potentially. Then I'll have the call option. So I'm hoping I can get one cheaper, maybe November, December. The one I had was October, right? So when expiration gets anywhere like 1 to 3 months away, I started to get a little bit nervous because if it doesn't go in the money, or if the time, you're losing value on the options, right? So it is what it is. So I mean, I could have made more money when it was Pan American Silver was about $39, but you want to try to get as much move, and when the move just seems like it's kind of dying down, not to mention one of their mines is suspended, so I don't know. It wasn't a good choice I wanted to do. I wanted to hold it that Pan American Silver was going to go to $50, $60, and the $29 strike would be worth $21 to $3,000 or something. Like it'd be worth like a lot more money. $2,100 to $3,100 USD or more. So there's still a chance that that option will turn out to be worth that much, and maybe I'll be able to buy it for a couple $100 cheaper and then I'll just take the money, mine in my pocket, not your pocket, market maker, in my pocket. Why? I'm using my brain, baby. So yeah, that's what I did with the Budweiser. I got Budweiser call options till September, and I basically sold one of my options, and then I rebought it for $60 US dollars cheaper in my pocket. So yeah, I mean, it's a complex. I could literally be talking about this for days. So let's get into some other stuff. With the Forex, I'd really like to have someone else join me doing indices. There's a lady, I'll leave her link. She's I'm Pips Only, or I'm Pips, I think that's her name. Her name's Lauren, and so she's learning gold trades and SPX 500. I've been doing SPX 500 trades for over a month. In my group, I've been in my group for 2 months. I take trades from the top pro traders. Like last night, literally the SPX 500, take your first sell at 32.69. If I was to execute it flawlessly, I would literally have like a pretty big position, say like a 0.10, and then $5 to $6 move. So that's $50-$60. Boom. Make that move, and then once it goes back up to 32.80, which it did later in the morning, because I trade in the middle of the night. I trade London session and a little bit of New York session. I'm a night hawk, but I also trade during the day too. So I sleep during the day for now. But anyways, SPX 500 was at 32.80, so that was the entry. So I took the entry. It was good, and then it was moving up. Every dollar is 10 pips. So when people are trading currencies, at 10 pips is a fair amount. But getting that $1 move doesn't take a long time. So you literally you get your 40-50 pips very, very fast on a SPX 500 trade. So yeah, I mean, that's just what I do, and. Yeah, so it was, I took my trade. I had a few twin positions, 0.05, and then I was closing out I closed out one at about, $4 in the money, and then I let the other, because the TP one was 32.85, but I never took in the trade from Kim Torres, so I was a little bit nervous just taking the trade, just because I don't know if it's going to retrace and then I'm going to lose my money. So you set your stop loss and all that stuff like that. There's all these ways to go about it. But anyways, I did that, and then the 32.85 it hit, so I took another position. So I scaled out of another 20% of my position, and then I sold another one at like $6, so 60 pips up. So I scaled out another 20%, and then I let the other ones, ride, and it ended up hitting 32.90, and it also hit 3,300. So I didn't even play the trade very good, but I still made decent money on that trade. So basically, the 32.87 is when I peeled out of all my position. And I was just scared that it was going to go to 32.87 and then all of a sudden retrace to 32.77 if the dollar index would get strong. So that was just my concern. So I just was being cautious. So that's just what I did. And yeah, I mean, basically that's what I did. So I did some gold trades as well. And yeah, it was fun. So in the market, S&P 500 pretty close to its all-time highs. So we'll see. We will see. Where is it going? I mean, Apparently JP Morgan took delivery of gold, so it's interesting. There's so much manipulation in the gold and silver market, it's crazy. So yeah, so I saw a bear last night. That was pretty cool. Well, that was a few days ago. Maybe I even told you guys about it. But I saw a bear. I was just looking it in the eyes. And, just kind of looked at it in the eyes and with my binoculars, and it was climbing the tree. And then I just, sat down on the ground, and then it just kind of came off the tree, and then it just went on its way. Bears are harmless. People need to understand and relate to bears. I mean, they're not crazy. You just have to talk to them with your mind. Be like, you know what? Hey, what's up? What's up, bear? It's okay. Nothing's bad. They can smell fear too, so they may mess with you if you're scared. So if you're scared, go to church. Oh yeah, the New World Order don't let you go to church. That's right. They don't let you go to church, but they let you go to protest, right? You're allowed to go to protest and destroy cities. That's okay. In our New World Order, you're allowed to do that. But going to church, no, that's bad. You could get COVID. See, COVID's smart enough to know where to infect. It's smart enough to know where to infect. Does it infect people at a protest? No, it doesn't happen there. But if you go to church, it's gonna get you. So, anyways, I'm gonna leave it off. I'm not trying to get too political or anything like that. But somebody's gotta raise the bar mentally. Think about things, what's going on. Care about the future. I care about the future. So anyways, if you guys want to join the academy, trade with me, I can teach you how to take these trades from professionals. There's just it's like a blueprint almost. It's just, you read the blueprint, it'll be like, 30-minute to check the chart. Then it'll give you a buy entry or sell entry. And then when it gets close to that, then you can enter either market entry, or you can set a buy stop or a sell stop and set your stop loss. And just go on your way, watch it, learn candlesticks. We can set you up with a candlestick Bible. So email me at compoundstock13@hotmail.com. I'll leave the link so you can check it out, the academy, and see what it's about. But hey, if you got any questions, don't be scared. Feel free to ask me any questions. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. Anyways, keep compounding your info. Listen to my lingo. Sheka, good peace. Enjoy the summer. And, this is a good opportunity because, some people aren't going to have their jobs anymore. So, the ability to make money from home by learning and taking trades from professional traders and, just growing your skill set so you don't need to have a job. So, anyways, good peace. I'm out.